Hey everybody, so I'm doing another walk in the dark down here, and I'm kind of getting used to it now. You can see my shadow walking now, right? Because there's light behind me. See, the tide's lower tonight. It's not as high, so it's not as bad. Usually it's up way higher, right? So I'm not really worried tonight about nothing. And here's where it begins, back there. A little bit higher here, so see the city way down there again. And we'll just keep going this way right now. Maybe I'll walk down here, it's a little bit better. Oh yeah. So I went on the next level down here. So I like it now. So you can see the light now, you can see what's going on around me. And it's only 9:03 right now, so it does get darker. I'm out here kind of early tonight. See that waves? That's fucking, I love it. See that? Here it comes. So the water does splash up to here right now. Awesome, man. Yeah, if you fall in there, you're pretty well done, I'd say. Not really gonna get up too easy. Although there's some stones at the bottom there, but the waves will probably crash you right into them. Plus, this water is pretty cold. Here's where I'm coming close to the edge now. You can see this. The water's right up to here now. As soon as I get up here, I'm going to jump back up quick. Because on the other side it's lower and I don't want to go on that. It's too low. Make this one like a nice longer video here. If you guys like watching this kind of stuff. Pretty cool out here though. See, I love walking here right now. I wouldn't do it before at nighttime, but I am doing it now a lot. It doesn't really bother me anymore. But when the water gets up higher, definitely I'm not gonna do it. And it's on its way up right now, the tide's coming in. I love the smell out here. Even when I get home, my shirt smells like the ocean. I just love the smell. It just, it just tastes good too. Just makes my clothes all smell good. You can see how close I am right now to the water. See this? See how my feet are right here? Look at that, right here, right on the edge. See that? It's only like a little bit of stone right there. So. Now there's a dead end here where the stone stops you from walking on this part. Which I imagine they do it for a reason, because it gets the tide gets higher over there, or this gets lower. So he's starting to go slope down now, you can see that right now. But I like walking on the edge, actually. And all the rocks, all the waves go in between here too, so it kind of breaks the water out from getting me too wet. I haven't got any water on me yet. See that? And yeah, there's sharks in the water here. Probably at nighttime, that's when they come out, right? Killer whales. You can see it right here. It just pours right up like that, eh? See that? Pretty cool, eh? And it's going lower now. This is where the water starts coming up even more, because the stones are going down on a slope now. And there's lots of sea monster stories around here as well. And I imagine they come out at nighttime. So here's where I'm gonna start getting wet, see? I'm going right to the end here though. See this? See, it's coming right up now. And I'll be able to go on the other side over here. I'm going right to the end here and I'm jumping up, see? The end's right over here. Normally I walk on the bottom there, but I don't like walking on any kind of sea animals. Alright, so we're here at the dead end. Yeah, you can see the dead end right here. And then, right out here is Cold Ocean. So we'll step right up top of here. There, so now I'm on the top right here, so there's nowhere else to walk down here. You can see right here. See right now I'm right on the edge right here. See both feet right here on the edge. I like it. Boats out here. This water gets really, really deep actually. You see how the water goes all the way through here. So that breaks the waves out. Here's where I'm gonna start getting wet, so I gotta be careful now. Because it is a little bit slippery out here. You can see the water getting splashed up. There, it's kind of dark now, eh? Here we go. I'm just going right to the end over here. And it's actually darker than it looks like on camera. Oh, I love it. I could probably climb up there if I had to. There's a little step right here to step on, where I can pull myself up. Do a muscle up there, right? I'll put the light back on. See what's going on. See all the waves pushing up. Look at that. See that? Fucking love it. Look at it. See that? Boom. My lungs just fill right up with the air here. I'm almost to the end right now. You can see it way down here where the lighthouse is. And I've walked all the way like that far. See all the nice signs on the wall here? Pretty cool, eh? See all that? Showing like the monsters basically that are around. They've been seen everywhere around here, so you know it must be true, right? I guess there's really nowhere for me to escape if they came up here or something came up here and got me. Even a killer whale could jump up here and grab me right now. See all the waves coming up here? Here's where I'm gonna get wet probably. Actually, I didn't even get any wetness actually at all. You can see all the water up here. There's the stairs right up here. So I'm gonna go right to the end. You end up walking right on the edge right here like this. This is where I saw the killer whales right here. They came right out of the water right there. But I was on the lower level at the time. See? And the tide's kind of low right now. Usually it's a little bit higher. Actually, it's pretty high actually right now. You can see us over the, yeah, coming up pretty good here. Right here, 7 knots. What do we got here? See that? And there's the boat still here. See that? All tourists come here. Especially garbage out here. I hate that. So, this is the calmer side right here. I could walk on that, but I have to jump down the other side over there. There's a whole ledge to walk on. So, all right, everybody. So I'm gonna walk on the other side here. And, well, I turned the lights out now, so you can see right now how dark it is. And that's where I was on the beach, where the lights are over there in the lagoon, by the X-Men Institute. See that? I got a little bit wet there. See, when it's dark, you never know what's gonna happen, right? Dark out here, right? Let's turn the light on so we can see. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk over here around this part there. See how it is. And then I'm going right up the stairs. So I walked all the way down the end. I don't know how far it is actually, but be out here, I'd love it. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. Peace. Peace. Smash like if you liked it. I like walking out here almost every night. I get the air. Plus I like to walk. It's good exercise as well. Keeps me in shape. I like coming out here when there's nobody out here though, but then you never know what's gonna happen, right?